Hi, everybody. We are here making our rehearsal with Göran Kattenberg. Hi, Göran. Hi.
Good morning.
Good
Buongiorno.
morning.
Yeah.
And we will have our interview on Friday, where we will talk about interesting project in the defense sector and all the environment about e-learning, learning record store, and also a little bit about your story, because it's a long time you are in learning.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah. So I will tell about, both more where I come from and where I think it will be going to in this industry. And there's still a lot of energy there. Yeah.
Okay. So I invite everybody to join us on Friday at 2 p.m. for another interview of the ILIAS Espresso series. See you on Friday.
Looking forward to see you on Friday. Bye.
Bye.